Oh, it smells lovely. A full-size MAC lipstick. What the actual F? That was me putting my hand into a tub of balm. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the first ever Sunday Times Style Essentials Summer Box, which just looks like this. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future. And let's just get straight into the goodies. So this first ever Style Summer Essentials beauty box is worth £229. It has 6 full-size products inside, but it actually retails for £46, which is just like absolutely crazy. It has 16 products inside. Like I said, 6 of them are full size. So this is what the box looks like. You take off the lid and you've got the little pamphlet inside showing you all the things that are inside this box. Like I said, there's 16 products in this one, 6 full size. It's just crazy. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging of their box. It's got a little sticker and then you open it up like this and it has all of your goodies inside. The first one is the Elemis Peptide for Plumping Pillow Facial. This is an intensing, refreshing gel mask that acts as a protective layer. It locks in moisture for plump, supple skin by morning. And this is a 15ml sample as well, so you would get a couple of goes out of this. Just says to apply it overnight and rinse off in the morning. So I'm really excited to try that, especially because it's a nighttime thing, so I can just kind of put it on before I go to sleep and then it's done. Super quick and simple. So next up is a full-size eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand Suku, I'm not too sure how you pronounce it, but it's a full-size shimmery eyeshadow palette. It just looks like this. You can see the colours there. It comes with 2 little brushes in there as well, double-ended, and this is the 03 Design in Colour Eyes palette. It just looks like this, and like I said, this is full size. Next up we have the Bumble and Bumble BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, which is a heat/UV protective primer. So this is the 30ml bottle. I've also got one of these on the go at the moment, so this will be going into my little backup drawer. I might kind of give this to like one of my friends or to my mum or something. But you basically spray it on your hair after you've washed it. You can put it on damp and dry hair. You just comb it through and then you can obviously go outside with the sun and it helps protect your hair, but you can also blow dry your hair and it helps protect your hair in that way as well. So that is, like I said, the 30ml one. The next one I am so excited for because I've never actually tried anything living proof. I don't think I have anywhere, but this is the Perfect Hair Day Bodybuilder. So it's a bodybuilding hairspray, which, as you can probably see today, like this is, I literally washed my hair like yesterday. And it was like yesterday, like halfway through the day as well. It wasn't even in the morning. And my hair is already starting to go really flat and a little bit greasy looking. So this is going to be perfect for me to get that like volume back into my hair. And apparently you can turn the nozzle on here as well, so it has like a low and a high for how much body you want in your hair. So say for instance if I was going a night out, I'd go a bit more crazy and go high volume, whereas day to day I'd probably maybe put just a little bit less in. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that. That's 98ml and I'm not too sure whether that's a sample or whether that's the full size. I'm assuming it's going to be like a deluxe sample with it being such a big one, but yeah, I'm excited to try that and I can imagine that'll be pricey. So next up is another full-size product. This is the Aveda Hand Relief Moisturising Cream. So basically a hand cream. It's infused with lavender and rosemary. So next up we have a full-size OPI nail varnish. This is in the shade Don't Cry Over Spilled Milkshakes. I absolutely love the way that OPI name their nail varnishes. I think it's so cool. So it's the ultimate creamy white summer nail colour that complements tanned and deeper skin tones. I might actually try this on my toes because I do get my fingers like professionally done, but I do my toes myself and I've been looking for like a nice white colour to make my toes look a little bit more tanned. So yeah, I'm excited to try that on my toes. So next up is a full-size Bare Minerals Bare Pro Glow highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter that is oil-free. Considering that's oil-free, it is so smooth and silky and it kind of just melts into the skin. Yeah, I'm really excited to see what that's like underneath my foundation, especially like a matte foundation, just to add a bit more glow as well. So yeah, that is the next full-size product. The next product is the cutest thing ever. It's a mini version of the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So this is a 3.5mg little tub. It is absolutely adorable. This is an award-winning setting powder as well. It's meant to be absolutely amazing. I haven't tried mine for so long. I've got like the full size version, But how nice is it that you can get a mini version and actually play around with it, see whether you like it, before actually splurging and buying the full version. I just think that is absolutely adorable. Next up is something that when I actually saw in the box that they had a full size MAC lipstick, I was like, what the actual F? Like, what the actual fuck? I could not believe it. This is the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Sultry Move. It is, oh, absolutely stunning. It is like a nude pink, it describes on the packaging, but actually I'd say it's a bit more of a darker pink. But this with like a lighter pink, like MAC Creme Cup or even MAC Myth in the middle to kind of like give it a bit of an ombre lip. Oh my god, it'd be absolutely stunning. So this is kind of like a reinvention of the classic kind of MAC texture, but it's meant to deliver a romantic, soft, focused kind of blur on the lips, but it's moisturised but still a matte finish. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried one of their Powder Kiss lipsticks before. I saw like Shannexo did a video where she like went to, I think it was Japan or something, for the launch of these, and they looked absolutely amazing. So I'm so happy that I'm actually going to try one, and then I can see whether I like the formula and whether it's something I want to purchase again in the future. So yeah, absolutely buzzing that there's a full size MAC lipstick in there. Like, that's £15.50. Some of them are £16 now, I believe, and this box is £46. And it's just absolutely crazy. Like, you get, yeah, sorry. I'm just amazed by this box. And the next one is something I'm so excited to try, because if you know me, you know that liquid eyeliners are totally my thing. I love the Soap and Glory one. It's probably my holy grail, one that I always reach for. But this is from the brand Code 8, which I don't think I've ever tried before. This is the Precision Liquid Liner, and I love the fact that it comes in carbon black. It is full size, so I'm all about that life. And it has like a really precise tip on it, which I think is kind of lacking with the Soap and Glory one, which is why I've always wanted to try the skinny version of the Soap and Glory one. But the tip on this is so fine, and I think it'll be perfect for just kind of going flick and just giving you that like really precise end. By the sounds of it, there's also like a ball in there as well to help to keep the colour completely black. Yeah, I'm so excited to try this, and like I said, it is full size, this one. Next up is something that I am actually just running out of. This is the Bondi Sands Self Tanning Foam in the shade Dark. I absolutely love this self tan. It does smell like coconut. It smells absolutely amazing. This is the 110ml one. You can actually buy these on Boots now, because I was having a look the other day to see if there was any offers on, ready for when my bottle runs out, and I'm sure, oh, I can't remember what the price was. I feel like it was like £10 roughly. Next up is another brand that I don't think I've ever tried before. This is the Paula's Choice Resist Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum. For all skin types, it's meant to smooth wrinkles and firm your skin. This is a trial size, so it's a 7ml one. I might give this to my mum to try out, which I don't know if it's going to be a bit of an insult to her, but she's always up for trying new things, so I might see if my mum wants to try that out. Next up is a little product from Clinique. This is the Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes and lips. And it's 30ml. It's meant to even take off waterproof makeup and mascara. I've never actually tried this before. I've always wanted to try the balm version of this. That was me putting my hand into a tub of balm. The balm version. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. This is, what size are we? Let's have a look. What size are you? What size are you? 30ml. I think I've already said that. But yeah, I'm excited to try this, because for eye makeup, I always take that off with a cotton pad, and then I do like a balm. That's me getting into my tub of balm again. I do balm all over my face with a washcloth and like a face cloth. So yeah, I'm excited to try this to get off this pesky eyeliner. Next up is a little tub from Kiehl's, another brand that I've never really ventured into. I think it's because they're more skincare, and you know me, you know I'm not a big skincare gal. But this is the Kiehl's Serum Infused Water Cream, 7ml. It's meant to be a water-based, weightless cream which packs with hydration, and it leaves your skin dewy and fresh. And it's meant to be suitable for all skin types as well. I might try this before putting on my makeup, actually, if it's going to leave my face dewy and fresh. So yeah, I'm excited to try that as well. Like I said, that's just a 7ml little sample to try. Next up, we have a mascara. This is the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara, and this is 5ml. It's meant to be a lengthening mascara which gives you modern fanned out volume. Apparently you get 12-hour length, lift and volume without the heaviness or clumping. I'm really excited to try this. I've actually run out of my Benefit Bad Gal Bang, so I'm kind of in the process of like using up different mascaras and things that are already open. So I'll leave this one for a little while until I've used some things up. But I'm excited to try this because I don't think I've ever tried. Have I ever tried a Smashbox mascara? I feel like I have one in my drawers, but I never got around to trying it. So yeah, excited to see what this one's like. And then last but certainly not least, we actually have a perfume. This is a 10 millilitres Pure Musk, I think that's meant to say. Nah, I'm just going to show you the box because I cannot pronounce things. It just saved my life. So this is the perfume. Let's open it up. Ooh, I've not actually opened this out of the packaging, but that is stunning. Let's have a little smell. I love that it's a spray. I hate when you get like little tiny perfume samples and it's a roller ball. What am I going to do with that? Like, I don't like roller balls. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, my mum will really, really like that. That is like such a night out kind of perfume. Amazing. Would actually buy that. That's really nice. So that is everything that is in this box. Like I said, it retails for £46. I will leave the link down below if you'd like to purchase it, or even just have a look to see what other boxes they have on there as well. They have got, I think it's like 4 on the website at the moment, and they also have like a scheme where you can build your own box. I have done a video on this before in a blog post on my website, www.lucestephenson.com. In case you don't know, I have a website as well. So yeah, I've got more details on there if you want to go check it out, how you can build your own box and actually pick which products you want in the box as well, and how many products you want will depend on how expensive or whatever the box is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm dropping things all over. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. I love you very much, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. Goodbye, guys.